Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? New Modern Oxford English for Class 7, Chapter 1, Light in the Night. आज हम इसकी रीडिंग करेंगे। इसका इंट्रोडक्शन मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुका हूँ। ये असल में जो लैम्प पोस्ट है उनकी स्टोरी बताई गई है लंदन में, जब लाइट नहीं होती थी, जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होती थी और सड़कों पर लाइट्स का एक बाकायदा सिस्टम था और इसके लिए बाकायदा एक पूरा डिपार्टमेंट था इसके अकॉर्डिंग ये सारा काम किया जाता था। और उस ज़माने के अंदर तकरीबन 70s के ज़माने के अंदर लंदन के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा था। इस वजह से जो लोग हैं वो कुछ टॉर्च वाले जो बच्चे या जो लड़के मुलाजमीन सड़कों पे घूम फिर रहे होते थे टॉर्चों के साथ, उनको हायर करते, वो उनको सर्विस देते। इस तरह जहाँ कहीं उन्होंने जाना होता वो उनको रोशनी प्रोवाइड करते। अगर आपके पास टॉर्च नहीं है रात को तो आप ख़तरे में होते थे और आपको लूटा जा सकता था, आप पे हमला हो सकता है या फिर वहाँ एक दरिया था, आप उसमें भी गिर सकते थे। तो ये एक स्टोरी है, इसकी आज हम रीडिंग पढ़ेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। लाइट इन द नाइट। London is a major capital city. At night, it glows brightly like most modern cities. Before the 1700s, London was much smaller than it's now. On cloudless, moonlit nights, people would take advantage of the moonlight and go out to socialize. But night time in the city could be dangerous. You could trip, fall, and injure yourself. If you fell in the river, you could drown. You could be attacked or robbed by criminals who roamed in the streets. You could easily get lost. If people wanted to go out at night, they would have to carry a burning torch or lamp, or if they were rich enough, pay someone else to carry it. There were many link boys who would fall for a small fee, hold a burning torch or lamp ahead of people so that they could see the way through the dark streets. Some of these link boys were dishonest and would rob the people who had employed them and then run off and leave them in the dark. By the early 1700s, busy cities like London and Paris had street lamps in some areas. In Paris, which had street lamps before London, the first street lamps were actually lights placed in the window of houses. Police enforced a law that said that every house had to have a lamp burning in the window all night long. If the lamp went out, people would have to get up to relight it or face being fined. Some people started to offer their services as lamp lighters. In return for payment, lamp lighters would put up a lamp outside the house and make sure it was lit. The street lamps reassured people and made them feel safer. The authorities realized the benefits